Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Mangalore location. It is from Karnataka. Let us discuss one by one in detail. So firstly, there is a job opening for consultant radiologist. It is from Masadir. So qualification would be MD or DNB in radiology. So freshers and up to 5 years of experienced candidates both are eligible to apply for this position, and coming to salary, it would be based on the industry standards. So if you are suitable to apply for this position, then you can share your resume to the mentioned mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for sales officer or admission counselor. It is from Unext Learning Private Limited. So freshers can apply for this position from the background of MBA marketing from premium college. So the candidates should have 1 to 6 years of experience to apply, and the package would be 4 lakhs to 6 lakhs per annum. So coming to qualifications and skills, the candidate should have bachelor's or master's degree in marketing or technology, and he should be able to talk fluently in English and Hindi, and also should have strong listening skills. So these are the details. So if you are interested to apply for this position, then you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for cyber security instructor. It is from Red Team Hacker Academy Private Limited. So minimum you should have 2 to 3 years of experience to apply for this position. So you should have knowledge in networking, Linux commands and all these things. So you please go through with the skills required here, and also certifications preferred mentioned here. So if you are interested to apply for this position, then you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for mobile developer iOS or Android. It is from Calistro Infotech Private Limited. So coming to qualification, it would be engineering or science background, and also a certification is a plus. So the candidate should have about 2 years of experience in developing mobile apps and games. So interested candidates, please go through with the soft skills and the tech skills required for this position. Those are mentioned here. So if you are interested to apply for this position, then you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for insurance manager. It is from Health Insurance Agency Sales. So the candidate should have 3 to 5 years of experience to apply for this position, and the CTC would be 6.5 lakhs per annum. So interested candidates, if you are eligible to apply, then you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Angular developer. It is from Vision Data Analytics. So you should have 4 to 10 years of experience to apply for this position, and also you should have the skill set mentioned here. So you please go through with the skill set, and if you are interested to apply, then if you are eligible to apply for this position, then you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for shift manager underground cavern Mangalore location. So it is from Mega Engineering and Infrastructures Limited. So minimum BTech or BE in civil engineering graduate is required for this position, with about 10 years of experience in NATM or rock tunneling projects. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, then you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Job opening for supply chain lead. It is from Pioneer Management Consultant Private Limited. So the candidates should have bachelor's degree logistics or supply chain management with minimum 12 years of experience in the area of supply chain logistics, and along with this you should have team handling skills and supporting regional teams. So you should have experience in SAP and other ERPs. So you need to report to the LBM. So interested candidates, please go through with all the details mentioned here, and if you are suitable to apply for this position, then you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.